Well, it was a quiet night here last night. I really needed a good night's sleep. And unfortunately, I got to get an early start, get on the road. So we're going to say goodbye to Trinidad Lake. Okay, it's time to roll on out of here. Well, I have to say the shower was a highlight of the stay here. A nice hot shower. Get an early start here. I'm going to stop in the town of Trinidad just to take a look around before I hit the highway. It's going to be a long day of driving. I'm going to basically go through the whole east side of Colorado, the whole state, and get into Nebraska where I'm going to camp for the night. Anyway, we're going to check in when we get into the town of Trinidad. I'm just going to kind of roll through the historic district. I'm all gassed up, so I'm just going to get on the interstate and head straight north. It is a beautiful morning this morning. A little bit of blue sky poking through. Being up here in the trees. It was warm yesterday. It was 82 degrees for a high. I woke up to 55 in the van this morning, so quite comfortable. Okay, coming into downtown Trinidad here. A quiet Sunday morning. Neat old Main Street here. So just a few things about the history of Trinidad, Colorado, and things that it's known for. Trinidad is on the Santa Fe Trail, which was the major trade route there, as well as leading up to the Santa Fe Railroad, which led to a lot of the town's growth, as well as there being a lot of coal in the area, so there's a rich coal mining history in Trinidad. And then we can't really mention Trinidad without talking about that it was coined the sex-changed capital of the world for a while there in the late 60s. There was a Dr. Stanley Biber, I believe is how you say his name, was performing a lot of the world's first sex-changed operations, especially here in the U.S., and it kind of became known for that. And a lot of people went there just for that reason. They say at his peak, he was doing up to 4 sex-changed operations a day. But otherwise, it was just a neat town to walk through. The old architecture and that was very neat, and the people that I ran into were also very kind. Well, it was nice to get out for a walk around downtown Trinidad. Beautiful, quiet morning. That was nice. Every person that I passed or ran into on my walk here said good morning, with a big smile. Love that. Just thinking the other day, I was somewhere, I walked right by somebody and said hello and I smiled at them, and they just put their head down and didn't say a word. So it's refreshing when someone actually says hello and smiles. It is time to hit the highway here. We're going to be cutting through Colorado on the east side, getting into Nebraska. Okay, we are heading out from Trinidad, Colorado. Heading north, we've got 350 miles to our next destination. Away we go. We just crossed into Wyoming. There's no welcome signs on this lonely highway. So we say goodbye, Colorado. Hello, Wyoming. We're just going to be dipping through here, Wyoming. We'll be saying goodbye to you here soon. Here we are coming into Nebraska, the good life. Hello, Nebraska. Goodbye, Wyoming. Oh, yeah, we made it to our destination. I am ready to get out of this driver's seat. This is Oliver Reservoir here in Bushnell, Nebraska. Bushnell's where they make the binoculars. No, I just made that up. see what we got here. I don't know if there's a fee or not. I don't think there's a fee. It says there's a camp host. Looks like there's just registration. Suggested donation. Okay. All right, looks like there's a 14-day limit. Campers must register vehicles and camping units. No camping fee, but donations are appreciated. I think I can, got some cash. I can send a little donation their way. Yeah, there's a few campers here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty big area here, so. Kind of cold and windy today, but tomorrow's supposed to be full sunshine. Just gonna go all the way down this end here. Let's see if I can get level up in here. Let's try that. Oh, well, it feels good to be somewhere where I can settle down for a few days. We'll give you a glimpse of the campsite here. All right, so this is our site here. Got a little fire pit, rickety old picnic bench there. There is a toilet not too far, just a short walk down at the end of the lot here. We are right on the shoreline here at Oliver Reservoir. I am totally beat. I'm ready to just kick back. And the sun is supposed to be out tomorrow. It's supposed to be clear skies the next couple days, so it's perfect timing. I'm probably only going to be here for 2 more days, so we'll try to enjoy it as much as we can. Well, we are starting out to a beautiful day here. Starting out with clear blue skies. Winds are down a little bit, calmed down overnight. It was really, really windy when I showed up here yesterday. But just a beautiful, clear morning this morning. Great to wake up by the water. It was very peaceful here last night. Really quiet as far as the other campers or anyone coming through here, but I will mention that there is a train track right across the highway here that is used pretty heavily. So throughout the night there was, probably that I heard and woke up to about 3 or 4 times. Other than that, very quiet and peaceful. It is kind of neat to see the old trains go by. This is just a great place to relax for a little bit. We put in a lot of driving the last few days, so I'm going to spend a few days just kicking back. Well, it turned into an absolutely beautiful day here. The wind died down, it warmed right up. It's about dinner time, so I'm getting the grill going and do some cooking outside here. All right, I got my little stove set up out here on the table. And I've got my charcoal grill over here, using my table as a little bit of a windbreak there, even though it's not that breezy. I'm gonna grill up some chicken and put that over some pasta. It's gonna be dinner tonight. I'm gonna do like a butter, garlic, Parmesan cheese pasta with some chicken over it. Yep, just a beautiful day on the water here. Oh yeah, chicken is coming right along there, looking good. The pasta's just about ready. See how we're looking over here. Yep, I think that's just about done. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that off. I'm gonna dice up some tomato and some garlic. I've got some nice Parmesan cheese here. I gotta go get my butter. Just gonna butter up that pasta and add this stuff. Throw that chicken right on top. Mmm, that's a good one. Good, good. Okay, we need butter. Okay, drain that pasta. Throw a big healthy chunk of butter in there. Let that melt. Add this garlic and tomato. Okay, some of this Parmesan cheese. Like a healthy dose of the cheese. Oh yeah. So I marinated this chicken for about 4 hours with some sweet soy sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, and some dried onion flakes. And then I threw it on the grill. It's looking real good. Okay, so how are we gonna do this here? I'm gonna plate up some pasta. Okay, set that aside. Ooh, it's time to sharpen my knives up. Okay, I'm gonna have some fresh carrots on the side. A little extra Parmesan cheese to top it off. All right, and there we are. Dinner is served. That is looking delish. Oh, time to dig in. Ooh, that Parmesan cheese is good. Yeah, nice combo, pasta and chicken. Yep, liking the fresh tomatoes in there. Okay, the flavor on that chicken is amazing. I'm gonna have to show you the soy sauce that I used, because that is something I'm gonna do again. So this is what I use for the chicken marinade. It's a sweet soy sauce for rice, it says, but I used it to marinate the chicken in, along with some garlic powder, dried onion flakes, black pepper, and man, it turned out so good on the grill. I'll get that again. Yeah, this is it right here. Loving this. Oh, I'm so glad it warmed up. My first day here was cold and windy. Today was just nice, warm, perfect temps. Got down to a t-shirt. It's about 6 p.m. now. Just a beautiful evening. Well, this turned out to be an awesome stop in Nebraska here. We met some really cool folks. The camp host Karen, a super kind lady. Glad I got to meet her. A couple of the camp neighbors here came by with their dogs. I got to get some dog time in and socialize a little bit. So just a really nice stay here. Kind of starting to cloud over a little bit now, but that's all right. And a clear blue sky day. I'm actually looking forward to having a job to go to here. Well, I feel so fortunate to go these long stretches without working a job, but I actually do really enjoy working. It's always just, it feels good to be able to spend the day investing myself in something and get a job done. And I really enjoy the folks that I work with up on the farm, so I'm looking forward to it. I know some of you have mentioned in the past, when I show up on the farm, it seems like my energy level goes up. Just really get into it, and yeah, it's a good time. And I make money. Well, today was like a perfect day. Weather-wise, it was just awesome. Just a beautiful evening. It's about 7 p.m. Just a wonderful, wonderful day. Well, I just wanted to thank you all for joining me in this one. In the next video, we'll be moving into the Dakotas and then making my way up to the farm. Hope to see you guys soon. Thanks again. Take care. Peace.